that these people, they should go and just go and sit down and just give way. Enough of what this. My brother, these people are able to do market on Europe.
I'm one guy, and I know they put my there. I know they put my there.
Believe me. If I don't know, Dr. Ngozi Adebeze is her daughter in this position, will she be doing what she's doing now? I want to know. If Dr. Ngozi Adebeze is, I don't know whose daughter, and she take this man to, will she oppose her daughter?
Okay.
Will she?
We just receive an idea of what she's, because somebody just made a comment. This is that I think this person that made a comment. That's Chikudozie Dim said something. Chikudozie said, Kai, she is answering Ada Onowu as a guy name. That's a nickname. Not by Mary. Not by Mary. Don't get it twisted. I think you are right. I think you are right, because I've seen some people bearing name Bishop and Pope. So exactly. I think that's what depends on, because I'm just asking a decent question though. I'm not trying to mock her. I don't know. I don't know you, and you are able to speak full the Hausa language very, very well. And you are leading a group that is anti-Fulani and anti-Hausa. They don't like anything Northerners, right? Which is understandable. Then, in the midst of the meeting of those groups, you are addressing them in Hausa language. That's an insult to them. If I thought those groups were sensible enough, they should know that this man literally insulting them in their meeting. Because what she did is that since you are running away from this Hausa, let me speak the language in your meeting. And they were all muted. Some of them were even smiling. But the main reason why they gathered there is just to make sure that they convince the whole world that Ngozi Adebeze is a Fulani woman, which is laughable, because there's a man called what is the name of this guy? Azai Oba of DOS. Azai Oba is living in Europe. He was the one championing this nonsense that PM is from the north. That he don't have a classmate. He don't have anybody from the village. He's village people. Nobody know him.
He doesn't have relation. He doesn't have village.
Yeah, thank you. That man, Azai Oba, was the one pushing that narrative on social media, trying to convince the whole world that PM is a northerner. I know when. They pushed on by saying that PM was sponsored by Ike Kuremada, and sometimes they said that he's a Tinubu boy. He's an APC member. All this.
I know this.
So we are used to this kind of blackmail. That's why I said that the Nkere and the group tactics is not. It's not adding up at all. It's not.
Even there's something you said here. You played Madden and the kind of video. Where it's mentioning people in the north, mentioning people in Kaduna, mentioning people in the South Kaduna. If it was Dr. Ngozi Adebeze, they say, hey, he's mentioning people from Kaduna. He's mentioning people from what is all this?
I know. I know. For our brothers and sisters that are listening and may not able to understand the assignment, what they're doing. They are doing it is a deliberate act just to achieve to them what is best for them. Anyway, sir, let me allow you to go. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, bye.
So we have come to an end of this live broadcast because I am not gonna, push more. The people that called multiple times, and I tried to call them back, and only one person, answered. So let us, and this is 2 hours that we map out for this live broadcast. So this is 2 hours. Let us. Okay. Let me answer. Hello.